Challenges from pollution, and it is our collective responsibility to take action.
Pollution is just not an abstract concept. It is a reality that affects our health, our families, and our communities. Each year, millions die prematurely due to air pollution alone.
Diseases like asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer can be traced back to polluted air. But this is just not a problem for far-off places. It is happening right here in our neighborhood.
Exposure to pollutants leads to great health consequences. Did you know that nearly 99% of people who breathe air exceed safe pollution levels? This is not just numbers. This is our friends, our families, our children, and earlier we who face this greatest risk. We must advocate for clean air, water, and friendly ecosystem. But there is hope. We can change the trajectory of this crisis. How? Through collective action and grassroots efforts. Join us in a community cleanups, educate each other about reducing plastic usage, and support local policies aimed at reducing emissions. Together, we can foster a culture of conservation and responsibility that will resonate through generations.
Consider adding visual presentations with statistics and images of affected areas. Distribute informational pamphlets outlining the main points discussed. Encourage participants to share their own stories regarding about pollution experiences to foster a sense of community involvement.